We hit the top and we're going
and
down.
we're on the way down on the roller coaster. Tomorrow we're going to kind of coast down and then we're back up on Sunday. Do you see that?
Oh my gosh.
Do you see the little arrow pointing down? That's because the high has already happened today. Our end of the week forecast showing a temperature of 72 for the high today, which, yes, has already happened. Winds now out of the northeast gusting to 35. Cloudy the rest of the day as that front has already worked its way in. You can see the cloud cover behind this graphic here. 62 degrees for Saturday. Tomorrow morning, 52. It stays in the 60s for the afternoon. We'll see cloud cover most of the day. Winds are going to be lighter on Saturday, but on Sunday, we start out at 55 on the cool side. That, by the way, is close to normal for this time of the year. But Sunday afternoon, 82 degrees, winds out of the south, gusting to 25 miles per hour. Here's where the front is right now. It's right across the Metroplex. Temperatures on the north side of this front are in the 50s and 60s. On the south side, into the mid 70s. 69 degrees right now in McKinney. Compare that to the 75 degrees in Corsicana. This is also bringing with it some high wind gusts. Over 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts reported in Denton and Decatur, and even higher wind gusts to the northwest of this front. Areas in the Panhandle saw an over 50-mile-per-hour wind gust this morning as this thing was blowing through. The cloud cover has also worked its way into the area. Clydewarren Park camera showing some of that cloud cover, not yet registering that north wind, but will any minute now. Temperature of 72 degrees. Again, that's the high. We're already seeing that temperature drop. That front also bringing with it the cloud cover. I'm showing you that there. And take a look at this. As this front pushes south, there is a little bit of moisture in our atmosphere, but what's going to happen is that this could produce a stray shower or two, but our air is so dry that this may not actually make it to the ground. So around 7 or 8, don't be surprised if you do see a little area of drizzle. It shouldn't last long. I don't even have this in the forecast registering as any kind of coverage because, again, our air surface temperature, it's dry and it's going to be cool. So it's going to have a hard time actually reaching the ground. Let's look at the 4 p.m. temperatures. Generally, this time of the year, the high temperature happens around 3 or 4 in the afternoon. That won't be the case today because of this front. But around 4, this front will have cleared the Metroplex, mainly to the southeast. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s around that point, with warmer weather to the southeast. So today, it plans out like this. Temperature is going to drop as we head towards the evening. Around 6 p.m., we'll be at 62, about 10 degrees cooler than what it is now. It's going to be cooler this afternoon than what it was this morning when you left your house. Temperatures tonight dropping into the low 50s, so be prepared for a little bit of a cool start to the day on Saturday. And again, mostly cloudy on Saturday. A little more sunshine on Sunday, highs in the 80s come Monday, Tuesday. A little rain potential Wednesday, Thursday of next week, and again over Easter weekend. Highs in the 70s on Easter.